However, the crowds of people, the entertainment and everything going here, this is a really, really special place, and I highly recommend that you visit this area of Seminyak during your stay here in Bali. Sand Beach Bar here.
Come on. Cause every little thing say it's gonna be alright. Alright, sounds good. Give me one more time.
Good early evening from Bali, Indonesia. So this evening I'm here in the Seminyak area of Bali. I'm actually here at the famous 66 beach here in Seminyak, and what I'm going to feature in this video for you is a sunset walking tour of a section of 66 beach. So this section of walking tour here at 66 beach. Now as you get, I'm going to start the main gate entrance to 66 beach. There's many gate entrances, but this is going to be the main gate entrance to the beach here. You can turn left or right. In today's video I'm going to be turning right. In both directions there's going to be restaurant, warungs, drinks, food options all along the sections of beach, seating options. However, the most interesting part of this area of beach is going to be if it's sunset, it's going to be if you turn right through the gate entrance to the beach. So when I turn right, you're going to see a fabulous collection of nice restaurants, beautiful soft cushion beanbag seating areas here at the back of the beach, and there's going to be quite a few people, I would imagine. Also there's also going to be some live entertainment. As you can hear, it's already started, so let's waste no time and go and take a stroll here at 66 beach Seminyak. Okay, so here we are now at the main gate entrances here at 66 here in Seminyak, end of Legian, start of Seminyak 66 beach. We're going to walk through these gateway entrance now and take you onto the beach. Now you can turn in either direction here. You can turn left or right, and there's it's going to be busy on all sections of beach here. However, in tonight's video I'm going to be turning right, and we're just going to take you through. It's going to be quite busy. There's going to be entertainment and things on here, and we're just going to give you a general idea of what you can expect from this beach here. Coming very close to sunset, as you can see in the distance there, of this pathway along the back of the beach here.
All along I can hear people talking.
See, it's very, very busy here.
Giants in me, making me and fire. Lines been said between your heart and mine. The smile on your face makes me know that you need me.
So many people here.
In your eyes,
Selling the paintings here. Many more here again. You can see it's just so busy. Some different kind of entertainment here. Not sure whether that's copyright music or not there. Another fabulous little section here.
Was an angel found some place.
This is the Sand Beach Bar.
Do they know the places where we go when we gray and old?
So that's coming to the end of this first section here. Sand Beach Bar. So just from the Sand Beach Bar now we're going to continue walking along. See the beautiful I'm not sure there's going to be a big sunset, but there's going to be some kind of sunset. I have another section here. This is called the Kapil Beach. Some more seating areas here. We'll just take you up at the back here and show you. So there's the name of this place, Kapil Beach. It's got some people inside as well. There's a bar, some people inside there. Let's continue walking on. This one's also got some music entertainment here, live band. Some people here. So just setting up now. Now we'll just head up to the next section. So you can see there's a lot of people here on the beach here for sunset, all around. Okay, so I've just come up the beach now, maybe about 80 to 100 meters, because there's a bit of a gap of nothing really in between there, as you can see. And now we're at the next section where all the bean bags and seating and restaurants and things all start again. Another place here. I'll just go to the back and show you at the back also, so we can pick up the name of the place. Hello. Oh, I can't actually see a name, but it's got a seating area also at the back here. What's this called? The Champlung. This one's the Champlung. Some music here. Okay, so we're just continuing on. You can see everywhere is literally busy here. Lots of tourists everywhere. This one seems particularly popular. So many tourists here. Just gonna walk right through the middle here. Many sellers also. Tattoos. So many people here. Oh la la, will you look at that? Wow. Let's come onto the path at the back here. Nice seating area here.
Let me show you the feeling, the way you give me the meaning. It's only you got the feeling, cause it inside and you know it's alright. Let me show you the feeling, the way you give me the meaning.
La la, there's going to be so much copyright music here. It's just music everywhere. Lots of seating areas here, all with the beanbag soft cushion seating.
Anybody here? Come on. Cause every little thing say it's gonna be alright. Alright, sounds good. Give me one more time. Sing down the down the team. Alright. Cause every little thing it's gonna be alright. Alright, thank you.
It's continuing on. It's fabulous. There's so much entertainment here, so much comfortable seating areas. The vibes are so positive and wonderful here. Another fabulous area here. Another nice area here. What's this called?
Chilling with
Chilling without.
that one we have the sign.
Ah, okay. Ah, okay. Here's the name. The DJ here. Really nice inside also. Beautiful lights and things in there. Nice seating area. Let's continue going down now, back onto the beach. Terrace Bali, I think this one's called. Beautiful seating area here. Yeah, Terrace Bali has on his shirt there. Another nice area in here also. It's from Terrace Bali. Just setting up with live music here also at Terrace Bali.
Ready?
Coming to a little bit of a break again now. We'll just turn back and give you a look at Terrace Bali. And then that's going to complete this section of beach here. So just here you don't really have much here again now. Just a lot of people, just standard lounges and seating areas here. Not really any bars or restaurants or things. And then just look at all of the people on the beach here. Ooh la la, so many. Okay, so that concludes this evening's walk here at 66 Beach. Ooh la la, what can I say? What an absolutely fabulous vibes here at this time of an evening, it really is. So I've shown you there was only a brief sunset because it was a little bit cloudy this evening. However, the crowds of people, the entertainment and everything going here, this is a really special place, and I highly recommend that you visit this area of Seminyak during your stay here in Bali. So on that note, hope you've enjoyed this evening's video, hope some of you find this video useful, and I definitely do suggest that you pay this area of Seminyak a visit during your holiday stay here in Bali, and I say bye for now.